Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to do a pink inspired look. This is for breast cancer awareness. If you did not know, October is breast cancer awareness month. So if you are at the age where you can do a mammogram, I highly recommend that you go ahead and do that, because early detection is the key to getting everything taken care of early, diagnosed early, whatever have you, and just, you know, prevention is the key. My family and I are very big on supporting breast cancer awareness anytime we can. Our cousin did pass from breast cancer, and we had several other cousins that were diagnosed and are thrivers, if you will, because they have survived and they have been surviving with, you know, after the breast cancer diagnosis. So like I said, early detection is the key to survival, and God bless everyone who has fought the fight, is currently fighting the fight, and those that continue to support them. Okay, so with that said, if you would like to see this video, just keep watching. And again, this is my, whenever I wear something pink, this is the look that I go for. All right guys, so as you can see, I applied much of my makeup already, a lot of my the foundational stuff, and so now I'm going to just apply some blush. The blush that I'm going to be using today is by MAC. It is called Breath of Plum. This is how it looks. And I'm just gonna take a Real Techniques blush brush and just apply it. My tip for blush is that you want to make sure that you do crack a little bit of a smile, because you need to blush should be applied to the high points of your face. And the best way to see that is with a smile. And just know that you don't want to do the clown thing and just put it right on your cheeks. That's not good. All right, so the next thing I am going to apply is a highlighter. I'm going to use two today. The first one is from ColourPop. Matter of fact, I'm going to use the other one first. So the first one I'm going to use is by Kylie Cosmetics. This one is called Chocolatey Cherry. Sorry. Sorry, that's kind of dirty, but this is the color here. And then I'm going to put this one by ColourPop over top. This is called Part of Your World. It's from the Disney designer collection. So see, this is like super light. So that's why I'm going to go put this one bottom, and then just kind of blend it all together and make it like look really pretty. So let's see how this comes out. First that I'm going to be using is the tapered highlighter by Sigma. So we're gonna move on to the eyes. For my eyes, of course, you know, the first thing I'm going to do is mute out my eyelid color with this bronzer by MAC. It is Give Me Life. It is the one from Patrick Starr. That's how that looks. So my transition color, I am going to be using the color Saddle. This is from in this palette here. As you can see, I've hit pan and then some. So I'm just gonna do that for my transition. Use that. Next, I'm going to go in and do work on my outer V. For that, I'm going to use the Anastasia and Jackie Aina palette. Let me use the color Credit. That's this color right here. I have been loving this color, this palette ever since I got it. So if you don't have it yet, you should. All right, so for my mobile lid, the first color that I'm going to use is going to be by MAC. It is called, oh wow, it's rubbed out. I think it's called Hot. It's this color right here. And I'm just gonna put it all over my mobile lid, because it's the base for the rest of my eye. Look. Last and final step for this eye look is to apply pigmented kind of shimmer, kind of glitter color. And for that, I'm going to use this one by NYX. It is a roll-on shimmer. I'm not sure if they still have that. I know they don't still have this one, but I don't even know if they still have this type of thing. But anyway, you can use any kind of pigment. If I didn't use this, I would have picked up like the color from, nope, Jackie Aina doesn't have it. just basically any shimmery kind of pinky kind of color. You can use what's on my hands? You can use like glitter, anything, just something you just want to make the color pop. I can't even find another pink color to kind of thing. You could even use a highlighter, but just something shimmery. That's the point here. So I love this. I like the fact that it rolled on. It was just an amazing thing. I'm mad that they discontinued it. So I just put it on, just kind of threw it on. And then I'm gonna take my fingers, which, you know, some people hate that, but I'm gonna take my finger and kind of, my ring fingers, and kind of blend them out so that it could just be all over my lid. So since I hit it and some of it is here, I'm going to take a pencil brush. Well, in this case, it's gonna be an eyeliner brush. I'm just gonna hit it on the other eye in the inner corner. All right, guys, this is the completed makeup look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Well, not tutorial, but this video on my everyday pink look. This is basically what I do pretty much every day. Only difference is I might change up the bottom pink, may put it like a little darker one, but typically I don't. I just do it like this. You know, once my hair is down, it kind of covers it so I can do the whole corporate thing, educator thing, and you know, everything like that. But this is my look. I hope you enjoyed it. Shout out to my babies, my little prince, Mary, Martha, Charlotte. Love you guys all. Love everyone. Thanks so much for watching. Until my next video. Bye, guys.